Hello, handsomes. How are you doing? You look stunning in your new clothes. Congratulations both on your new clothes and also on the new year. Up until now, you have learned a lot. How to save money, what mindset you should have, how to spend your money, and a lot more. But these were all inspirations, reasons, and whys you have to improve yourselves financially. These were all theories, and now you need to put them in action. These were all quotes I gave you. You've heard this a lot that quotes won't do you any good until you start action. Now it's your turn. Do you want to get rich? Become a millionaire, billionaire, multimillionaire, or what? You've come through another year and you have to live this year differently. And to do this, just as I said previously, you need to have goals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set resolutions for your new year. 1. Save more money. By saving more money, I do not mean putting away half of your salary. No. Decide to put away 50 cents every day, and by the end of the month, you'll have $15. That's good. Better than nothing. Better than wasting your money. It is little, but still it is a nest egg for you. You know, if you decide to put away, let's say, half of your salary, what is possible to happen is that you'll end up with no money in the final days of the month and will have to borrow some money from your nest egg. This will cause lack of self-confidence and also a sense of pointlessness in you. 2. Don't throw your money around. One of the reasons why you can't keep your money untouched is the occasional desires. You're out walking with your friend and all of a sudden you pass by an ice cream shop and you say to yourselves, let's treat ourselves and have an ice cream. It's not every day. There are millions of these it's not every days that are the main reason probably for your failures. So decide to yourself to quit these habits. 3. Spend less. It's a new year. You want to buy clothes, perfumes, and many more. Everyone does that. I know. But you're different now. You have a goal now, and that is to become rich. I'm not saying not to buy anything, no. What I'm saying is to buy fewer but high quality ones. I said previously in the last video, in the link above, that if you want to buy clothes, spend a little more but get a high quality one. This is how you can kill two birds with one stone. 4. Better your skills. The principles to making money is one thing that you need to know, and having the means to succeed is another thing which you have to improve in yourselves. If you know all the rules, and there is no ability in you to use those rules, then you haven't made much of a progress. Okay, pals, now that you have made a resolution for yourselves, it's time to get you hitched with a beautiful lady. After all, we all need one. Because not only that lady will help you feel secure in life, but will also be a motivation for you to move ahead faster. So click on the link below to make sure you subscribe to our channel, because in the next video, I'm gonna share with you some secrets to get a girl to like you. Thank you for watching this video. You can click on the link below to subscribe to our channel, where we have plenty of more videos for you.